Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be removing the outer tail light from a Peugeot 3008. This is easy to do and anyone can do this one at home. When beginning our process, we'll open the tailgate and on the inside there will be this black cover of the tail light. Gently remove that cover, try not to break any of the clips that hold it in place. And then once you remove the cover, there is two 10mm nuts there, and when we take these off, what's remaining is the locators on the back of the tail light. You might need to use a plastic tool. You don't want to use a flathead metal screwdriver as that can damage the paint. Use a plastic tool to wriggle the tail light out towards yourself or towards the back of the vehicle, and that's pretty much how you remove the tail light. What's remaining is the plug. Here is our tail light, and those are the two locators that slot inwards. That's why you need to pull the tail light out towards you, and this is pretty much how to remove the tail light. It's very easy to do. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you really want to support me, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.